Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for hands-on, no-nonsense reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at what we believe is the best rolling two-wheel 18-inch school backpack currently available. The Camtop 18-inch rolling backpack with matching lunch bag. If you're a parent gearing up for back-to-school shopping or planning a short family getaway, this is one product that deserves your attention. It's about function, and this backpack delivers. The backpack set comes with two main pieces, the 18-inch rolling backpack and a matching insulated lunch bag. Together, they're more than just cute, they're built to handle school, travel, and everything in between. The backpack itself measures 18 inches tall, 12 inches wide, and 5 inches deep, making it spacious enough to fit two large textbooks, a laptop, and other daily essentials. Whether your child is heading to school or going on a weekend trip, they'll have room for everything they need. Now let's talk build quality. The Camtop rolling backpack is made of ripstop polyester fabric, which is known for being tear-resistant and water-repellent. This means spills, rain, or messy playgrounds won't be a problem. It features strong SBS metal zippers that open and close smoothly, no snagging or splitting. The zippers feel solid, and that's important when you're dealing with daily wear and tear from active kids. You know how kids are. They'll pull it across gravel, pavement, stairs, you name it. This backpack can take the abuse. Mobility is also key. The wheels glide smoothly, and there's a telescoping handle that adjusts comfortably for kids aged 4 to 8. When the terrain doesn't permit rolling, the backpack straps are ready to go. Just wear it like a traditional backpack and you're good to move. This dual-function design makes it incredibly versatile, from classrooms to airports. Let's not forget the insulated lunch bag. It's not just a side add-on, it's practical and well-made. It measures 10 inches long, 7 inches high, and 4.5 inches wide. It's insulated, waterproof, and perfectly sized for a bento box, a juice bottle, snacks, and more. Plus, it fits easily into the backpack if your child wants to carry just one piece. Camtop also gets major points for versatility. This isn't just a school backpack. It doubles as a carry-on for travel, an overnight bag for sleepovers, or even a vacation bag for short trips. It checks the box for daily school use while being flexible enough for other adventures. To wrap things up, the Camtop 18-inch rolling backpack is stylish, durable, spacious, and travel-ready. It's designed for real-life use by real kids, and that's what sets it apart. Whether your child is hauling books, packing clothes for a weekend getaway, or just heading to school with lunch in tow, this rolling backpack has them covered. If you're looking for a dependable two-in-one wheeled backpack and lunch bag set that combines fun design with serious functionality, the Camtop is a smart buy. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review. See you in the next one.